Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica, the Simple DIYer. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used, and let's get started. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this modern farmhouse decor. It could also pass for boho farmhouse decor. These are all simple, cheap, and easy to make using Dollar Tree items. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by taking this plastic clipboard, which I got at Dollar Tree, and using just a regular ruler, I'm going to measure it 4 inches high and a little over 11 inches in length. Once I have that fully measured, I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and cut that strip out. Next, I'm going to take this glass cylinder vase, which is the shorter of the two that Dollar Tree carries, and taking my Surebonder full-size glue gun, I'm going to set that temperature to high, and I'm going to take the piece of plastic that we just cut out and apply hot glue to one end, and then apply that directly onto the vase. Once you have that glued down, you'll just go ahead and wrap the plastic around the vase. Once you have it wrapped all the way around, you'll go ahead and just glue the other side down. Taking the remainder of the plastic folder, you're going to measure out 2 inches in height and a little over 11 inches in length. Once you have that measured, you'll go ahead and cut that out as well. For the second vase, you'll go ahead and repeat the same steps as the first. You'll just go ahead and glue that plastic directly onto the vase, wrap that around, and then glue the other end on the vase as well. And this is what it will look like once you have both vases completed. Now you can leave them black if you would like, but I'm going to go ahead and paint them. So what I'm going to do is take some painter's tape and just go ahead and wrap that around the top of the glass. That way it doesn't get onto the glass. Now you can always paint the plastic before if you would like. That's completely up to you. I'm going to be taking this apple barrel paint in the color white, and I'm just going to paint both of the plastic pieces on both vases. It did take me 2 coats to get this completely covered. Next, I'm going to take the apple barrel paint in Tutorial Beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and dry brush that on both of the vases all the way around the plastic. Now you can leave it like this if you would like, but I'm going to take the white paint and I'm going to go ahead and just dry brush over the brown. That way it'll soften it up a bit. Today's video question is, what is your favorite to decorate with? Flowers or succulents? Or both? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. To finish these vases, I put some floral foam in the bottom and some reindeer moss on top, and included these two succulents to complete the look. For the second project, I'm going to take this wood box and remove the center. They have a lot of different ones that you can find at Dollar Tree if you can't find this particular one. Then taking this stencil, I'm going to leave the back on the stencil and just tape it to the side of the box. That way I can reuse it more than just one time. And I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that that's secured nicely. Next, I'm going to take this all-purpose chalk and I'm going to apply that directly to the stencil, and then once I have it applied, I'm going to take my finger and just smooth it out, but I'm going to smooth it out gently, that way I don't bend the stencil, but make sure that it's an even coat all over the entire stencil. I went ahead and let this set for a minute, maybe 2 minutes before removing the stencil to kind of help it set in place, and then gently you'll just pull up the stencil and you'll be left this nice raised design, and you're just going to want to go ahead and repeat that on all 4 sides. Once you have all 4 sides completed, you're going to want to make sure it is fully dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to take this apple barrel paint in the color white and just paint the entire box, all 4 sides and on the inside. I'm not going to worry too much about the bottom where the design is, since that's going to be covered. Next, I'm going to take 8 of these wooden puzzle pieces left over from a previous project and paint those in the color white. While those are drying, I'm going to take the territorial beige and just go ahead and dry brush that all over the box as well as on the inside. I'm also going to do the same thing to all 8 of the wooden squares. Once that's dry, I'm going to take the white paint and go ahead and dry brush that on the box as well as the squares to soften the brown. Once the paint's fully dry, I'm going to take my hot glue and just go ahead and apply 2 squares to each corner to form the legs on the box. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe now. It really helps my channel to grow so much, and it'd be much appreciated. Now you can decorate this any way that you'd like, but I'm going to take some Spanish moss and some succulents and apply inside. That way it kind of gives it a modern farmhouse look. It could even pass as a boho farmhouse, but like I said, you can decorate the box any way you'd like. This last project is super easy to make. I'm going to take the same wooden box and remove the inside, and on this one I'm just going to paint it in the apple barrel paint white and dry brush in the territorial beige. Once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and decorate it the same way. I'm going to use the Spanish moss and succulents, but again, you can decorate this any way you wish. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.